Richards and I'm accepting the challenge. I'm holding my breath for 15 seconds.
And I dedicate that to all our climate refugees.
For my country.
For the victims of Yolanda.
It's for the people I love.
For the volunteers who give their time to reverse the effects of climate change.
That's for you, babe!
For the future of my family.
Sa lahat ng mga naapektuhan ng bagyong Yolanda.
For renewable energy.
For people to stop throwing plastic in our seas.
And we are doing this for the next generation.
Para to sa mga nakasama ko sa Giwan, kila Riv, at sa iba naming mga kaibigan dyan.
To the future generation.
For renewable energy.
For the volleyball community.
For my future.
For small island nations.
For your future.
Future generation.
For Philippines.
For the environment.
For the future of my younger sister.
For you. Kauwi.
Inaalay ko ang pagpigil ng hininga ko ng 15 seconds para sa mga magiging anak ko nang hindi malunod ang kanilang mga pangarap dahil sa threats ng climate change. Sign up na!